So a type is just a set of similar objects like numbers or strings with associated operations. And we've run into things like numbers and strings before, but there are more exotic types that also support operations. And as we can see even from this little doodle diagram, sometimes there are operations like plus that apply to all of these things. I can add two numbers using arithmetic, I can concatenate two strings, or I can append together two lists. They mean almost the same thing, but not really. Arithmetic addition is not really the same as string concatenation. Similarly, both strings and lists support length. Here it's the number of characters, here it's the number of elements. Each one of these things, number, string, list, is a type. And what we basically want to do is make sure that we're not mistakenly combining elements from various types or unsafely calling non-associated operations. For example, 5 divided by 2 makes a lot of sense, but the string hello divided by the string 6, we have no idea what this means. Division isn't one of the operators for strings, even though it is one of the operators for numbers. Let me give you another analogy of this that sort of bears reference to the real world. The word execute can mean many different things depending on what it's being applied to. A computer can execute a program, which means to run it or to carry it out. There are some governments in the world that will execute their citizens, and this means to kill, typically in a judicial context. These do not mean the same thing, but the word looks otherwise similar, and it falls in the same sort of grammatical pattern. They're both verbs being applied to objects. We're going to need to tell the difference.